Hello and welcome to the British Columbia Real Estate Association's housing market update for July 2021. The province recorded 11,070 units in June, down for a third consecutive month on a seasonally adjusted basis, but still well above long-run average levels. On a year-over-year basis, total unit sales were up about 35% compared to last June. Total active residential listings were down 23% year-over-year in June and continue to fall on a monthly seasonally adjusted basis as new listings activity has slowed. Strong sales activity and falling listings means the provincial sales to active listings ratio remains elevated at 42% in June, or about twice as high as needed to achieve balance in markets. However, there may be considerable variation across markets, so contact your local realtor to identify market conditions in your area. While market conditions have eased slightly, competition for dwindling supply remains high, and prices are still rising substantially as a result. Provincial average home price rose 22% year over year to $910,000. The largest gains continue to be recorded in smaller markets outside of Metro Vancouver, particularly in the Fraser Valley, Island, and Interior. The MLS Home Price Composite Index, which measures the price of a typical home and is not susceptible to changes in the product mix of sales, continues to record very strong increases in all regions. The HPI showed an increase of 14.5% on a year-over-year basis in Greater Vancouver, and was up 23.5% in the Fraser Valley, 17% in Victoria, 29.8% in the Vancouver Island Board area, 29.1% in the Okanagan Valley, and 30.4% in Chilliwack. Now let's take a look at market conditions around the province.